Central States Manufacturing is a building components manufacturer. We'd like to consider ourselves a customer service-based company who happens to sell steel. Our steel products consist of roofing and siding both. We design all steel buildings, storage units. We will provide all the components for pole barns, all the way down to just a re-roof on a simple residential home. The Hartford site has over 80 employees currently. We receive in raw coil from steel mills. From start to finish, our process requires over 540 quality checks to ensure we're getting product out the door right on time, every time. One of the big things about Central States is we're an employee-owned company, so everybody who works here has a stake in the game. I'd say the hardest job here at Central States is the production worker position. They're constantly striving for perfection out there and ensuring we're getting a quality product out the door to the customers. So here at Central States, we use Golden West for our internet and phone service. One of the things I like about Golden West is that they're a co-op, so giving back to the community and to the people who are involved with it. So I think it's a great partnership. They allow us to continue to do our business and provide to our customers. This is my